All right, ESC 7, I'm coming for you. I can't wait. My name is Joe Sanfilippo, and I recently retired after spending 26 years in the building. The last 12 right here as a superintendent of schools in Fall Creek, Wisconsin, home of the Fall Creek Crickets, and I'm coming for you on September 23rd to talk to you about what we as leaders can do to amplify the voices of those around us. Now, my biggest problem with schools has nothing to do with schools. My biggest problem with schools has everything to do with people thinking that they know what happens in schools. And when people think they know what happens in schools, then they talk about what they think happens in schools. And that's not what happens in schools. But they talk about it like they know exactly what you do because they all went to school. But this happens in our building too. When they don't know what we do as leaders in the space, they tend to make up what we do as leaders in the space. And that's not what we want. So we're going to talk about what it means to lead with intention, connection, and direction. We're also going to talk about what we do to start our day, how do we make sure that we hire people in a way that retains them and put ourselves in a situation where we can build momentum in an industry where not a lot of people are building momentum for us. Man, we are going to have a great time. It's a full day workshop. You'll walk out with plans, you'll walk out with opportunities, and you're going to walk out with connections to make sure that the rest of your year goes absolutely fantastic. I can't wait. I will see you on September 23rd. Have a great day, everybody, and go Crickets.